Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 23rd day of July already, and at 3:59 in the morning, Rich here, and what a thunderstorm weekend we had in the state of Alabama. There were dozens of warnings in effect. Some places had golf ball size, tennis ball size, even baseball size hail. There was at least one tornado in Opelika, an EF0. We don't normally see tornadoes in the summertime here in Alabama. Well, today the severe weather threat is gone. That's a good thing. However, there will still be a wealth of showers and thunderstorms, I think, for the next 2 or 3 days at least. A very wild and very strange for July upper air pattern. I'll walk you through the trends for the week ahead. Plus, we'll take a peek out into the tropics and see if there's anything out there to worry about.
Very unusual upper air map for the month of July, with a strong upper high over the southwest and a strong upper low trough from Ohio Valley down to the Gulf Coast. Usually July weather systems are much more benign. The upper air pattern is usually sluggish and flat for the most part. We still have that frontal system stretched through South Alabama. That will act as a focus for more showers and storms today. I don't think we'll see the vicious kind of thunderstorms we saw over the weekend, but there will be a wealth, as you can see, of showers and storms. And the Storm Prediction Center does not have us in a severe weather risk zone today, but parts of the central Gulf Coast and the eastern U.S. and parts of Florida do. Storms likely by this afternoon and this evening, and maybe even lingering into the nighttime hours. I think the high temperature may reach around 90, 91. Tonight's low 71. Tomorrow, the strong upper low is still in place, the trough of low pressure and cooler air aloft. That's going to lead to more showers and storms, which will be numerous across the area. Rain chances perhaps as high as 70% tomorrow, and still a decent chance of scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. But that pattern will start to fade, and I think it flattens out by Thursday. So that means that by Thursday and Friday, the number of storms starts to diminish a little bit. In fact, I've got maybe scattered storms around Thursday, and high temperatures easing back into the low to mid 90s, and a more routine situation on Friday as well, as the pattern begins to look more benign. Then on Saturday, scattered showers and storms return. It looks like a pretty routine forecast right now, nothing like last Saturday. Oh my gosh. And Sunday, not much change as well, and that will continue into the early part of next week, although there will be some increase in showers and storms, I think, by the time we get to Monday. So let's summarize for you. A good 70% chance of showers and storms tomorrow, Tuesday, and a very good chance of showers and storms on Wednesday as well. But then we'll start to take the rain chances down a little bit as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I think the storms will be more scattered in nature, and temperatures will be rising back up and towards the middle 90s. In fact, I think low to mid 90s look good for Friday, Saturday, and probably even a little higher than those numbers would indicate. Meanwhile, out in the Atlantic, the Caribbean, and the Gulf of Mexico, the tropics are just about as quiet as you'll ever see them. I don't even see anything, looking 10 days down the line that looks particularly interesting to worry about, but we'll continue to monitor the tropics.
All right, that's it, and thanks for clicking on this video this morning. Hope you have a great day today. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, and Emily. Check us out on TV this morning. We're live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. I do a weather chat with Ryan Stindard at 5:50 in the morning. Then around 6:40 a.m., our morning crew and their morning crew interact. And that's always interesting. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. That can be a lot of fun and unpredictable as well. Hey, when you're out and about today, across the dial on 8 radio stations twice an hour, 256 times a day, that's where you'll find my forecast on the Blue Water family of stations. I'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning. My alarm goes off at 1:45 a.m. Your video online by 4:45 a.m. See you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.